A spell of relentless heavy rain and damaging gusts of winds continues to bombard parts of New South Wales. Evacuation orders were put in place for numerous towns, including Macquarie and Kempsey. And in actual fact, we've had some record-breaking rainfall in Kempsey, 407.4 millimetres of rain in 72 hours. And half of that happened in just a 24-hour period. Now, if we take a look at the satellite picture, you can see the cloud that's responsible for this wet weather. Moisture-laden easterly winds has been driving in a trough off that east coast, and the rain has certainly been relentless for the last few days. Pushing its way in, it's now slipping south towards Sydney and into Canberra, and it looks likely that further rainfall is possible. So not surprisingly, we have seen some severe localised flooding in many towns, as you can see, and this is obviously going to cause some significant damage. We are expecting another 100 to 200 millimetres of rainfall throughout this weekend in some of those worst flood affected areas, and you can see that easterly feed, the moisture coming in through the course of Sunday. But I just want to draw your attention to what's happening through the interior. Here there is a weather front that's going to gradually drift its way steadily eastwards, bringing yet more heavy rain, and that looks likely to be significant on Monday and Tuesday. Don't forget the brighter greens and yellows denoting the intensity of that rainfall, but there are signs as we go through the middle part of the week that that front eases away and the weather story quietens down.